In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively create and manage a plan in Jira using the Advanced Roadmaps feature. So, let's dive into it. To begin, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. I recommend using Chrome, as it tends to provide the best compatibility with Jira. Once your browser is open, type in your Jira site's URL, which typically follows a pattern like your company.atlassian.net. Once you've landed on the site, go ahead and log in using your credentials to access your workspace. You'll need to be logged in to access and utilize the features fully. Now that you're in, it's time to navigate to the Plans section. Look towards the top of your screen for a menu option labeled Plans. Click on it, and if it's not visible, this could be due to permissions. Remember that Advanced Roadmaps is a premium feature, so ensure you have the necessary access rights. Once you're inside the plans area, you've got a decision to make. Start fresh with a new plan or open an existing one that your team may already be working on. Let's focus on creating a brand new plan. To kick things off, you need to select your issue sources. These might be specific projects your team is involved in, boards you're using to monitor progress, or filters designed to capture certain data types. Pick the sources that are relevant to your plan, as this will lay the foundation for everything that follows. Next up, consider the teams that will be part of this plan. It's crucial to know who will be contributing and collaborating. Then, set a time frame that fits your planning scope, ensuring it aligns with your project goals. Having a defined time frame helps structure the workflow and manage expectations effectively. When everything's set, press the Create button and watch as your plan starts to take shape. The plan display will present a hierarchy, typically featuring epics, stories, and subtasks. This organizational structure allows you to delve deep into the specifics of your project. One of the advantages here is the flexibility to expand or collapse these items. Adjusting focus helps when managing multi-layered projects, providing clarity at various levels. Another great feature at your disposal is the drag and drop functionality. It makes reprioritizing or rescheduling tasks a breeze, especially as project demands change. Moving over to the timeline view, this aspect of the plan gives you an overview of task timing and interdependencies. Here, if there are any dependencies or blockers, you can link these directly on the timeline. It's a visually intuitive method to ensure everything flows smoothly and allows you to pinpoint potential bottlenecks before they impact your project. Finally, once your plan is set, sharing it is crucial. You can easily share a link with your team, which is key for maintaining alignment. Depending on the permissions you've set, team members could just view the plan or actively make edits, fostering a collaborative environment. And there you have it. You've not only built a plan, but also set the groundwork for collaborative and efficient project management using Jira's advanced roadmaps.